What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-112988-9. The content cannot be purchased. So I'm just going to show you my screen on my left side, and here we are at the content and at the screen, and here we are. You simply try to buy a content. I'm just going to show you how to do, and here you simply this one, and you're getting the error, your content is not purchased, or your payment method is not complete, or your purchase is not complete. So what to do, you just go back to your settings here, and here's the settings, and then go to the storage and a user and account. Here's the user and account, and then go to the payment and a subscription. There's a payment settings you get all, and payment method, you must check your payment method is already added or not, maybe sometime expired or not added, or you don't have money in it. And purchase settings, you must turn off the password or allow to purchase settings. And here is a subscription, other settings, you just check it simply. And sometimes you're having a connection problem, so and check the address also. Sometimes you are using a different address and using a different payment method, that's why you're getting the error, your application is not purchased because your payment method is not complete. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of content is not purchased or application is not purchased because of your payment method, not other happening. And sometime your application is not allowed into your region, so you must check the region also. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.